Welcome back to Bake a Leg and Let's Dig It Homestead. I'm out of breath. My garden center is officially open and I am picking I have 4 beds that I'm paying for, 1 I'm getting for free. This one right here, I just weeded, I didn't till it, and went completely through it, flipped the dirt upside down, and I'm going to be adding some cow into that. So that is, let me take it closer. Plus I did my girlfriend's bed. So here it is. Let me see if I can sit you down so you could see. Right about there. Okay. So I basically took this type of rake. All over it now, and I completely roughed up the whole bed. I raked through it, and I'm basically just smoothing it out. I want to make sure the bed is down pretty good before I go and put the cow in. Anything that I see that is a weed, I'm picking it out, and yeah, that is what I am doing. And I have a lot more work to go, but I thought I would bring y'all on so you can see the raised bed. This is just one of them, and how I do it. I don't till at all. If there is, say, like a dandelion root, I'm obviously here by myself, so social distancing. I also have this thing that is called a soil prepper, where you would stick it in and you would turn it to loosen your dirt up. So that's kind of what I've been doing on this first bed, besides weeding my girlfriend's bed. Well, I don't know if you want to call us girlfriends, but very sweet woman. We got along really well last gardening season. And if I couldn't get over here to water, she would water. But you get the idea of this. If it's a heavy root, you can hit that and it breaks it up. So since I flipped it all, I figured I would quick run this through the bed just to make sure I got everything out. So that is what I am doing today. I am taking my chances with not knowing where I'm going to be living, and that is paying for some beds at the community garden. So the next one over, if you can see, let me show you. This is where I grew carrots last year, right here. And as you can see, there are 2 carrots coming up. So it'll be this bed I still have to work on. Did this one right here. Cleaned up my girlfriend's. That's my bed. This is my bed. And this is my bed. So I have my work cut out for me. But guess what? I've been dying to garden. And like I said, sorry if I'm out of breath. I think that's happening maybe to a lot of us. Being in for too long. Total workout. So today will be the first of the garden tours, I guess if you want to call it that. I'm going to show you from the beds down. In my gardening series, I've taken it from the beginning to the end. So if you have an in-ground garden, or you're using a raised bed like I am, you want to go through it, pick out any stones, any weeds, try to get down, with like a little, it's not like a tiller, but anyway, it's called the Corona. All it does is twist the dirt down further, which is really great when you want to do carrots. So, this is going to be the beginning of gardening 2020, but as I was saying, I have the gardening series. So if you have an in-ground garden, and you're finally at least able to get out in the fresh air. God bless us all with this. Start cleaning up your garden beds or your in-ground garden. Go through the soil. I didn't add nutrients to it yet. I'm gonna probably be using Job's. So I will bring you guys along as soon as I get this one bed leveled and situated where I feel pretty confident about it before I go add some Job's and some cow. So I will bring you back to show you that. Okay, let me give you a closer look. I used that tool right there to go all the way down through the bed. This is actually an onion that grew back that I may transplant, I should say. I also usually, in each corner of all 4 beds, I will usually do like a sunflower and then basil on the other side with some marigold. But this is what it looks like before the cow on there. I want to at least get one bed done. I'm not worried about, oh gosh, I'm getting too old for this. I am not worried about planting so much today. I'm worried about getting the beds cleaned up and flipped. This is going to be my first garden 2020 of just all in beds. So yeah, I'm going to bring you guys along. And if anybody comes in, got to keep our distance. And yeah, I'll bring you back when I'm ready to put the cow on it. Okay, guys. Okay. I might have gone a little OCD. I kind of flipped it again. Added a little bit of richer soil into it. I didn't add the cow yet because I think that I want to put the Job's. And I'm wondering if I should do like the cow throughout the whole bed or as I'm planting. But this bed, I would say it's pretty done. I don't know. You guys can probably figure out the size of it. I'll go this way so you can see the length. Here's the length of the bed. Here it is from the side. And I got one bed done. So, gardening season for 2020 has finally happened here in Pennsylvania. Like I said, I'm taking my chances by paying over here, but I still don't know where I'm going to live. But I have to plant. I have to do something. Worst case scenario, I'll be way over there in the woods living. So yeah, I did bring some seeds with me today. So I definitely want to plant some sunflower seeds. I did replant this little onion right there. I just retransplanted it. Came back from last year. So I'm super excited. Finally get to garden. And I wonder how good I am if I can get, well, I have this one. I have that one right there. That's 2, 3, 4, 5 beds to still do. So this is what I am up against. 3 on the second row and 2 on the first row equals to 5. Paying for 4, gonna throw 1 in for free. So, there you have it, guys. When I go to do the cow, I will do another video on that. But if you are just getting to be able to garden, what I suggest is to just go out and clean it up, rake it up, go through it, pick out any debris. If you have one of those and you don't till, that's great. You can flip the soil around. I took it pretty far down without using a tiller, so I guess I'm not really tilling. But that bed is officially done. So clean up your gardens. Once you're done cleaning up your gardens, try to flip the soil a little bit, even if it's with a regular shovel, and then add your nutrients. So clean it up, just like I did in this bed. And the next video will be what I use to start off a raised bed before I start planting. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Sorry for the huffing and puffing. A little out of shape from being in for so long. Here in Pennsylvania, everything is still closed, but the community garden center is now officially open. So I need to get crack-a-lackin' and do 5 beds. Like I said, the next video will be what nutrients I use before I even put a plant in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Smash the like button. Make sure your bell is on so you get notified when I do a new video. And leave a comment down below. If you know the size of this bed just by looking at it, because I didn't bring a tape measure, feel free to leave that comment down below. And yeah, here we go. Gardening season 2020 has begun. For me, at the Community Garden Center. Okay, love you guys. God bless. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.